morning, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix that type of noise on A200 Mercedes Benz. Yeah, so when you're accelerating softly it's okay, but when you accelerate harder like this, you have that noise. So I'm gonna show you how to repair that noise on Mercedes Benz A200. Let's get started. First, we're gonna I don't think you guys can see there. We're gonna remove the mountings. So this baby's got a two front mountings, which is the engine mountings, as you can see somewhere down there. I'm having a problem with the camera, doesn't want to focus properly there. And which is on driver side, and there's one on the passenger side right there where you put you see I put my ratchet there. Yeah, those are two mountings that we're gonna check. We're gonna check all four. It's got four. It's got one on the left driver side. This is the second one. The third one is gonna be on passenger side backwards, and then there's which is gearbox mountings, and then you're gonna find one on the driver side backside. So we're gonna check all four and see what exactly going on, because the noise is it sounds like mounting. So we're gonna start with the mounting first. If all the mountings looks good, and then we'll take it from there. So as we can see, this driver's rear mounting doesn't really look good. The front one is somewhere there, and the back one is here. So this one is the one that looks like it's dead. If we do this, let's see what's happening. You see there, it's sucking to the bottom one time straight. So we're gonna jack him up and see. Okay, so one so far is out, and as we can see here, I think that it was hitting there. It was hitting metal to metal. Let's see on the other side. Yeah, there, because that whole rubber is bent out on there. So that's the noise we're getting. But this is so far on the driver side. So we're gonna still do the one on. Oh my God. We're gonna still do the one on the passenger side, just to make sure that everything is okay. So this mounting was supposed to look like this. This is the full, say complete mounting. This is how it's supposed to look like, not that. So yeah, it looks like it cut here. It might cut there. Then since it cut there, it was still sitting on this thing. Move. So when you move it, brace for brace, it was eating the whole rubber, bending it to that part. Yeah, but this is how the complete one should look like. So this is our replacement. So let's get him in. Hey guys, so after replacing the mounting, the car just get better. There's no more noise. As you can see, I'm gonna accelerate it right now. Zero noise gone. So our issue was the what you call it, it was the mounting, rear mounting, and on the driver side was a problem. So as you can see that it was completely broken, and I also had some cuts, like the front ones were not in good condition, so I also replaced them. So the best thing, I think, if you're having this mounting issue, because it's not something that you have to do every year, it's better just to replace all of them at once, and then maybe you have another 10 years or 5 years driving on the same mountings that another idiot is just rooting there. So yeah, that's the whole thing on there. Normally the noise was happening when you're pulling, and it was sounds like grrr. You see, it's like something it was eating. As you can see that Boo Boo was eating metal to metal, so that's why it was giving that vibration sound or knocking sound. Sometimes even if when it's just idling, it was also giving the same type of vibes. So yeah, if you're having a Mercedes that's making that noise when you're pulling, then you need to look at your engine mountings. So it's either the driver side one or the front one. It can be any, but you must know that mostly it's gonna be when like the bush is completely been eaten up, as you see on in the beginning of the video when we strip down the mountings. So yeah guys, that was it about the engine mounting on the A200. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and maybe you learned something. All I can ask is don't forget to like, subscribe and share so that it can also help other guys. And I really appreciate for those guys who really support me by viewing my videos and take some advices or comment and stuff like that. I really enjoy that because we learn every single day. Yeah, so that was it for this Mercedes A200. You have a good day. Bye.